I got a wife. 3 kids. They're, out west, though.
You're a long way from home.
In fact, I have another gig later tonight.
In the village?
I actually don't know where.
You don't.
Hey, man. I just play the piano.
Nick, I'm sorry. Is there something I'm missing here?
I show up to the party, and someone immediately blindfolds me and leads me to a set of stairs. And all my friends wait on the stairs with pillowcases full of bars of soap. And one by one, as I climb the stairs, take turns just hitting me, hitting me, hitting me, till I bleed, break my arms, or fall.
You're putting me on.
And last night, my blindfold was not so good. The women, they look incredible. And they're so happy to hit me, beat me, literally to an inch of my life. It's because of me.
Well,
My wife was there. I don't know for sure. She had a mask on, but I knew. The way she hit. Yeah. And I made it to the top of the stairs. You know what song I played first? Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass home. It was her wedding song. Just to let her know that I knew.